Yo, so you're watching I Love Vibe. My name's Tranell.
I'm Tim.
First time ever on camera, by the way. Not first time, but mic'd up and everything. He didn't even know how to put this thing on, you know what I'm saying?
I'm normally behind the camera.
But he wanted to make a special appearance today because Captain Fantastic, just a shout out to you, buddy. You know, you've been adamantly putting Balut in all of the comments. So it's very inevitable that I'm going to have to finally eat this, all right? Just a little background if you guys didn't know, I hate eggs. I hate eggs.
What do you hate?
Eggs. I hate them.
So what do we have here?
What we got is Balut from what
Duck
I
eggs.
understand.
It's duck eggs. Duck eggs.
Duck eggs. Yeah, so I'm here. We're doing this. I have a shirt for you. You're probably going to get it by the time this video ends, although I'm contemplating not sending it to you because of all the Balut talk, but it's all good. I'm here. We're going to do it. We're going to get it out the way and put this to rest. So, Tim, he's very native. He knows everything about Balut, so he's going to actually walk me through the process, although I wish I was blindfolded while I was doing this. So.
All right, so we got a Balut right here.
Yep.
So, hey, grab your balloon. That juice, you know what we're going to do? We're going to drink it. Once we drink the juice, we're going to crack it open more, and then start eating it. All right? So that's how you do Balut.
I mean, I'm as prepared as I can be with you even walking me through it, but Faye, we not cool no more. We're going to put you in a video, by the way.
So let's do it. So you just crack it.
All right.
I guess I didn't do enough. So.
No. So it's like.
So just like that, right? So start peeling it off. Oh. All right. So we're gonna take a shot.
What is there a shot? There's no shot.
No, there is. Just trust me. Doing this, right? And then you just watch me, all right? You're gonna drink the juice out, all right? Yeah, just like that. You're gonna drink the juice.
Not like that. That's
just exactly like that.
Look.
Just exactly like that. You got this, bro. You got this. Just do it. Do it for the views, bro.
I fucking hate you, Fantastic. I love you, but I hate you.
See? There.
Where?
Just like this.
Oh,
just start drinking. Just start. There you go. It's not bad, right? It's not bad, right? See? He likes it.
I don't like it. I
There you go. Now you empty your juice. There you go. All right. Now.
It's not empty, by the way, but.
Now we're gonna start peeling the whole thing off so we can eat it. All right. So just peel it like a hard-boiled egg, bro.
You a Balut. I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna do it like this. Oh my god. I've seen YouTube videos.
Yeah, Tim's is gnarly.
So
He's thinking tofu.
Boom. We got this right here.
No.
We got this. We got the Balut. Right? It's like slimy and shit, right? It's like
I don't
slimy.
need a goddamn commentation.
Slimy. Look at this.
No, I shouldn't have
We got veins and shit, right? All right. So I'm dripping all over the table, but it's cool.
Drip, drip.
Drip. Pee.
I don't know anything you guys say in that song, by the way.
Hurry up.
Drip,
We
drip.
gotta hurry up. Man.
I feel it open, dog. Oh my god, I haven't even looked. Ah! Ah! God damn it! I don't want to look. Oh, I feel like he's. Oh.
This guy. All right, so.
Yo, look at this shit. It looks like something out of fucking Jurassic Park, dog. The little egg. Oh! Look, it's really gorgeous.
And so
What? What else you gotta say, Tim?
we just gonna fucking eat
No.
this thing. All right, so I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna put some salt in it. All right.
Do you like salted?
I just gotta show you. Look at this shit, bro. Land Before Time. You know what I'm saying? You ever seen that shit? Land Before Time? Ooh! And I hate eggs. I hate them.
All right, so we got it ready. All right, Tranell, you ready? It doesn't matter. He's gonna eat it. Oh, Ching. Boom. I'm gonna eat balut. It's not bad, bro.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's easy for you to say. You
Want salt on it?
If I do this, I should instantly get citizenship to be a Filipino. I'm just saying. Just saying. How many black people have tried balut?
You got Tabasco here, all right? Got Tabasco.
Let me do the first bite. I'll probably add it to the second bite because I like it so much.
You know what?
Alright.
I suggest we just do it now because you probably won't do, well, you just did it. You gotta eat the whole thing, bro. Close your eyes and just fucking bite the whole thing.
You gotta eat Daffy Duck too.
You gotta eat Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck is right there. Let's add some salt. I'm gonna add some salt on this shit. All right, and so, and put some Tabasco on it. All right, so
I haven't opened my eyes at all. You guys
do not open your eyes. I'm gonna feed you.
No,
If
no,
needed, I'm gonna feed you.
No, no.
I ate mine already, and we're just waiting on this guy.
Just
So he's-
touching this motherfucker. Look at.
All right,
Don't you make those sounds?
I flavored it for you. Again, I got Tabasco and salt. All right, Tranell's about to eat his first ever balloon. He took a bite earlier, and
By the way, we got a menu item out. Go check it out. I love molitas.
do not. He ate the whole thing, even the hard part.
I didn't throw up. The hot sauce did make it better.
I told you. I told you. Oh, dude, I can't look at that. Oh.
No, I'm not gonna eat that shit all. I was never planning to eat it all, but I didn't throw up, which I really thought I was. Oh!
He just threw up.
Really sorry.
He just threw up. He just threw up.
I'm not gonna throw up, but holy oh! Oh!
So he did not finish the balut. He spit it out, pretty much. So,
All right.
talk about how,
Look, you got the blood just chilling like it's
blood,
cold.
dude.
What the is that?
It's juice.
Damn.
Obviously, I love balut. I mean, I grew up with it. It's something I grew up with.
You know what I grew up with? Chicken.
Chicken. I mean,
Like
it's
like
duck.
born chicken. Like it was born.
It's duck.
Oh, it's duck? I still don't eat duck. Sorry. But look. I don't even know what else to say. Look, subscribe, hit the bell notification.
Talk about your experience with this.
What experience? You guys got look. All my
What'd you
experiences-
taste? Come on.
What did I taste?
Because
I
for me,
tasted-
it tastes like hard-boiled eggs with duck on it.
Oh, I'm looking at the shit, bro. It's looking at me.
This? It's looking at you?
No.
This?
Look.
This?
But.
But what?
Look. It's not as bad as everyone says.
Then why'd you spit it out?
Because the texture. It was the hard part, I was able to like chew it, put some water. You guys saw that shit with my eyes closed. I can't look at it. That's why I couldn't look at it and try it. The hard part was cool, I guess, for the most part. But once I got the whole everything in there, it just was not good, yo. I'm happy I put Tabasco on it. Thank you guys for making such a strong hot sauce.
I told you.
I couldn't taste anything else. And I'm happy I couldn't taste anything else. But it was just the once the texture was going around, it just didn't work. But look, it's not as bad. I don't know if I got like the 6-week-old egg or the 16-week because I didn't taste any feathers or beaks or anything like that.
It's the younger one. It's the younger one.
Look, go for the young. No, it doesn't sound right.
But
choose the younger balut of the eggs if you're gonna do it.
the younger one, because you don't get the feathers and shit.
And
But thanks for joining us here today.
yeah. So again, subscribe button, bell notification.
If you want Tranell to try any more food, just comment down below.
Excluding Captain Fantastic. You cannot comment anymore, okay?
Ignore him. Just tell us what you want him
we
to
still
eat.
love you, man. Shout out. Yeah, so subscribe, bell notification, all that good stuff.
Share this with your family and friends.
Just love you.
We'll catch you in the next one. You're supposed to say peace.
I just got an egg on my fucking shorts. I just got
Say peace, damn it, so we can end the video.
Peace.